Okay, Irishman takes on vocabulary test from the University of Ghent. Let's take it on. I've done one of these before. I've done it several times where it's vicious, like it's fucking ridiculous words coming up. We'll see what we get on. Apocryphal, yes, something which is false in some way. Rarial, rel. I've never seen it. Fact, yes. Undersign, yes. I've never seen that. Signist. Oh no. Ensignist. Ensign is a symbol. So is it one who makes symbols? I want to say yes, maybe one who embosses symbols onto things. Rolling, yes. Plaque mouse. Mouse makes sense. Plaque mouse, I've never seen that. Critical, yeah. Generically, yes. Nightshirt, yes. Stern, yes. Storm galley, no. Yeah. Non-vascular, yes. As in not vascular, to do with the blood vessels and such. Gabble, yes. Gangrene, not what you want to have. Frickin' heck. Barbican. Now, what is a barbican? It's actually... It's a theatre in England where they actually play a bit of snooker. But it's definitely a legitimate word. I'm not sure what it is. Cosmotron. I assume it's just to do with Russian astronauts and such. Tallow, used for candles, crisps. I've never seen that. Bodybury. Bodybury? Bodybury? Bodybury could be word. Not my lexicon. I've never seen it. Sensitizer, yes. Calcaneus. I assume it's to do with calcite or possibly calcaneus. To do with calcium in some way? Conbale, I've never seen that. I've certainly never seen that. Or that. Lauded. I've seen lauded and I've seen laundered. But lauded I have not. Miscarry, yes. It's certainly not what women want to be doing, but I suppose you could miscarry something in general, as in not carry an object correctly. That's not how you spell existent, so I don't know what that is. Diopter is actually a measurement of kind of angles of refraction in the eyes and stuff. Checkable, yes. Blacken, yes. Rain. I'm going to look up the precise definition of that diopter afterwards. Sen, I've never seen that. Other than lacking Parisian rivers, maybe. I've never seen that. I've never seen that. Yes. No. I've never seen that. Nitroglycerin, yes. Potent explosive. Gridlock, yes. Affidavit, yes. You don't want to be getting one of those. I've never seen that. Hibernation, yes. Bounty, yes. Lots of people's... I don't know, it gets a bit of... It's got a bad rep as a chocolate bar, like the Bounty. It's not that bad. Although in the box of celebrations, like the Bounties are generally left, but they're better than the Mars. Like the Mars are poor. Plover's a bird. Retake, yes. If it was Spitzer with a TZ, but Spicer I've never seen. Vacation, yeah. Streptomycin is an antibiotic, isn't it? Streptomycin is an antibiotic, I believe, for killing off streptococcus bacteria and such. A West Sport, I've never seen that. Bathhouse, yes. Nosoloma. Nosoloma. I've never seen it, could be a word, I don't know what it is. Hutment is to do with a settlement of huts. An outbox, yes. Jocelyn. Looks like a fabric, potentially. Jocelyn fabric. I don't know what it is, though. Specular. Don't know what that is. Dowrel. If the L wasn't there, I'd know what it is, but I don't know what dower with an L is. No, surely not. Can't even read that. Magistrate, yes. Gaming, yes. What we're doing right now, trying to game. Screechy, yes. I've never seen Coltrex. Omnipresent, yes. Figure, yes. Lavishing, yes. Are we going to be lavishing this with praise, or are we going to be giving out about it? Agreeably, yes. Pithiness, yes. Yes. Hexy, no. The hexy makes sense, but the rest of it's nonsense. Gratuitously, yes. As in excessively, or gratuitous spending of money or something, whatever. I don't know. Bypath, yes. Intoxicative, yes. Decision, yes. Reclusion, yes. Detonation. Marxism. Emissary. I'm struggling out with this. I know emissary, but emissary. Emissary. I can't give a definition for that, so I'm going to have to say no. I don't know what it is. In consideration, yeah. Naval, yes. Party gore, yes. Dregs, yes. Yeah. Under... Mundane, no way. Depilatory. That's surely a word. Depilatory, yeah. Non-black. That can't be like one word, surely non-black. Come on, like. That has to be two words, like non-black. Oh, if that's one word, it's a ridiculous word, like. Barracuda the fish. Acers, I don't know what that is. Differential, yes. Citrus, yes. Ab, spelled that way. Abbé. A monastery in French? Is that how it's spelled? Zoographic, yeah. Nettlesome. I assume that's like bothersome, nettlesome, irritating. Drumstick. Galon. I've never seen that. Righteously. I've never seen that. 94. Oh. Ah, man. 100% is just so difficult. I've never gotten 100%. So I probably said yes to one word that's not a word. So let's see what that was first. Oh, the very first one. I thought it might be someone who like puts ensigns on things. Fucking anyway, so 97 is the best I could have done. Non-black. Come on, give me a break. Like, how is that a word, non-black? That other thing is a word. Hexyl. Let me try and read this. Hexy. Oh, it must be hexyl. Resoricanyl. Hexyl resoricanyl. So let's try and deconstruct that. It's some sort of a chemical with 6 ethyl groups or something. Enol. Oh, it's a sorcinol. Sorcinol, is it some sort of an alcohol with 6 groups of ethyls or something? I don't know. Oh, phenol. Yellowish white crystal phenol used as an antiseptic and
Hexaresorcinol.
Jeez, that was tough, lads. Hexel Resourcenal. Yowzers. Non-black, like, I kind of give myself that one because that's a ridiculous word, like, in all fairness. A person who is not black, but like, it's clearly like hyphenated and whatnot. That's not a one word, like. So 94%. And what about the words I allegedly knew? What are the words that I allegedly knew? I was kind of just using knowledge of English to suggest that some of them were probably correct. No, it was gabble to just natter and chat. Yeah. Barbican, is it something other than a theatre? A tower or fortification to approach a castle. Especially one of the gate or drawbridge, okay. Cosmotron is something to do with Russian cosmonauts and stuff. Large accelerating protons, okay, fair enough. Calcaneus, is that to do with calcium or what? Oh, it's the bone at the back of the heel, of course, yes. I've heard that before. This was the thing that I thought was something to do with the eye, a diopter. Measurement of refractive index of the eye or something. Refractive power of lenses, yeah. Equal to reciprocal of the focal length measured in meters, yeah. Checkable black and rain, classical, gridlock, affidavit, hibernation. Any other ones? This is an antibiotic, isn't it? Yep. Hutment, outbox, specular. This to do ghosts, is it? Mirror, okay. Screech, omnipresent figure, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. Any other awkward ones? The dregs is the remainder of a drink, like wine, the bottom of a glass of wine or something. Yeah. Depilatory. I wasn't sure what that was. Oh, to remove hair, of course. Yes.
Depilatory.
Yes. Depilation is removing hairs. Correct. Is this the French for a monk? Or, no, not a monk, an abbey. Member of a French secular clergy. Like, how is that? That's surely not an English word, like. Only that I knew French, like, did I say yes? Irritating? Yeah. And citrus, to do with citrus fruits. Okay. So we take that. We take the 94% gladly. Because it's a vicious test. Boom. End of stream.